Okay, yeah, that is my view, and it's going up and going down so much. Revenue going up and going down.
This video is sponsored by ActivePresenter, an all-in-one e-learning authoring tool that helps you create tutorial videos, educational games, presentations, and interactive lessons for teaching and training purposes. It's a powerful and professional software that works seamlessly on both Windows and macOS. If you want to support the channel, I will put the download link in the description, and remember to apply my special discount code when checking out to save your money.
Maybe I'm a lazy YouTuber, so I published my video 3 days or 4 days ago, and now it's time for me to brainstorming a new video idea. Okay, so this is what I'm going to show you in this video, how I brainstorm. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how I brainstorming my YouTube video, or how I get ideas to make YouTube video for this channel. Okay, so I'm going to use the tools like TubeBuddy. So this is just the tools I use, and it is similar to vidIQ and some other YouTube tools. Okay, but this is just the tools I use. You can use anything. Okay, so first thing first, when it comes to YouTube recommendation, it is very important to have a good ideas to make video. I mean, a good topic to talk about. So topic is the most important thing when it comes to YouTube recommendation. The second thing is your thumbnail. Third is title, and then description, and other factors like tags and language of the video, stuff like that. They are not so important. So the first and the most important thing is the topic. So if you want to find a topic, first thing first, you have to brainstorming the topic in your mind or in your head. Okay, so I will show you how I do it inside TubeBuddy. By the way, this is my legend license. So if you want to try TubeBuddy, it is a free tools to try. But if you want to upgrade to higher level with more features, you have to purchase a license. Currently, I'm using Legend license because I have no idea. But I will put the price of TubeBuddy here. If you want to try it for free, I will put the link in the description for you. Okay, so this is my keyword explorer. I will see how much is the search volume, and is there any other people interested in the topic of my video. Okay, so we want to click here at the keyword explorer, and this is a Chrome extension. You can install it, and then after that you can try this one. Okay, so first up we have your keywords. This is the area where you can type your keyword. So the keyword for today's video is how to brainstorm YouTube video idea. So we can search for how to brainstorm YouTube idea. So this is the right phrase to search for, and press enter, or you can just click explore. Okay, so summary. So first up is the summary. We have overall score. I can see that it is 92 on 100, and it is excellent. That's good, a good point. And secondly, we have score analysis, search volume, weighted competition, optimization strength, and video insert results. So many things here, but we can see there is a button here, weighted and unweighted. So weighted mean it is good for your channel or not, and unweighted mean it is for common channel, any channel. Okay, so we need to turn on this one to unweighted to see if we have search volume, and if we have competition, and if we have anything on like video insert result. So we can see here. So the score is very high. By the way, the search volume is this one. Normally I will go with this one. If the light go to this point, then I will definitely make a video. But for this topic, I think it is excellent point, so I can consider this one. Okay, unweighted competition, it is excellent, meaning that just few people are talking about this topic. So I think this is a good point. We can make a video on this. And optimization strength, so it is excellent, meaning that we can optimize for the video or this topic So in my opinion, I think it is a good point. We can make a video about this topic because we have excellent score here. Search volume is okay, and the competition and optimization strength. Okay, and on the right side, TubeBuddy also offers some other factor like Google search and topic and tag and stuff like that, and we have related search here. So how to brainstorm YouTube video idea. So it is kind of the same, how to brainstorm YouTube video ideas. And if we click here and then we go to another keyword explorer, okay, so we can click here to see if we have more search volume and more optimization strength. Okay, so brainstorm YouTube video idea. So the point is almost the same, but we can turn on weighted, so it's good. 94 on 100. It is good for my channel. Okay, so I will make a video, and of course I'm making a video about this one. Okay, so you want to see more here, so we have to tap. The first one is summary, and the second one is results. Results showing other people or other channel on search ranking, and also our channel if we have any video about the same topic. Okay, so we have here top rankings in search, and 8 well, they have 1 on 20 search results, and me, Jackie Nguyen, I don't have any insert ranking. Okay, and we can also see the number of views and the topic they are talking about too. So 5 ways to get viral videos idea, 55,000 view, and this one is from Nate Black, 35,000 view, and this one from Lean by Leo, 100,006 view. Very good. Mr. Beast, okay, 5.8 million views. Okay, so this is a good topic. So of course I will make a topic on this. So how to brainstorm YouTube video idea. By the way, when I do the title, I will make it how do I brainstorm YouTube video ideas exactly, or something like that, and you can follow. Okay, by the way, with TubeBuddy we have some more button here with the action. So we can click the action. We have some tag and new list, and add this topic to planner, or we can optimize in Sales Studio, but I seldom do this one, so I just get the idea here. So this is the first signal, or the first thing I do to brainstorm my YouTube video. And the second thing is to use YouTube recommendation. So I will go to YouTube, and then I can type the topic here, just paste the topic, brainstorm YouTube video idea. Okay, so I can shorten the phrase like brainstorm YouTube video idea, or I can make it shorter. Okay, and I can press enter to see what people are talking about. Okay, so here we have some people are talking about it 8 years ago, and also some short 2 months ago, and 2 years ago, 2 months ago, okay, 4 days ago, build and sell. So it is something that is not related to this one. Okay, so we can search for brainstorming YouTube video idea. Why I need to do this on this search box? Because we have more tools in TubeBuddy to recommend the topic for our video, and also some score here on the right side. So we can press enter, and you see here we have some more topic here. So it is the same in Keyword Explorer. By the way, I want to see it here because when I scroll down, I have some more video idea, and also I see some more topic here, YouTube video ideas that will blow up, and how to come up with YouTube video ideas. There's so many topics we can talk about. Okay, and so we have 2 steps. The first one is to go to keyword research in TubeBuddy, and the second thing is to go to the search box right here. And the last one, which is very important for you, for me, and I always do this. So after we come up with the idea and we decided to make a video, then we have to watch other YouTubers to see what they are talking about on YouTube on the same topic. Watch one by one from the beginning. Okay, so top 1, top 2, to collect some information from them. Okay, and we can collect some information from them, and then we can improve our content, or we can maybe have some more ideas or some more suggestions. Sometimes when we cannot think about any YouTube video ideas, then just play football. Like me, I play football normally on Wednesday. So one day for football. I just play football, and after that come back home, and maybe I got new ideas. Hopefully. Okay. By the way, this is Vietnamese football team. A Vietnamese football club. Okay. So they practice here, and I will practice over there. Yes, and there's a tennis yard here also. We need to practice to make us stronger or healthier. Alright, so these are the steps that I normally do to brainstorm my YouTube video ideas. It is real life from an experienced YouTuber, so I hope this video is helpful for you. If you do the same, just let me know at the comment section. And if you have any suggestion or you have any other ideas, just let me know. Or any tools, you can also comment on my video. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye.